With an emphasis on customer satisfaction, All American Asphalt Paving has solidified our reputation as the go-to paving solution for the Atlanta community. Our asphalt contractors are known for their attention to detail and thorough project oversight. We're paving the way for businesses and residential communities across the Atlanta metro area. We also specialize in commercial asphalt repair, commercial asphalt maintenance, parking lot repair, parking lot paving, parking lot maintenance, asphalt patching, concrete paving, catch basin repair, rip out and replace asphalt, and line striping. With decades of experience as a leading asphalt maintenance company in Georgia, we specialize in seal coating, crack sealing, and parking lot striping for commercial and industrial properties across the Peach State. Our team brings long-term value to every pavement maintenance project. As an experienced asphalt contractor, we combine preventative care with expert workmanship to reduce long-term costs and preserve curb appeal. We believe in getting it right the first time. We use top-grade materials and skilled workmanship specifically for asphalt paving. We value your time and honor our commitments, ensuring your asphalt paving project is completed on schedule. Your satisfaction is our priority. We're here to answer all your questions and provide the best solutions for your needs. Expect no hidden costs or surprises, just straightforward, honest service. We're proud to be a member of the Better Business Bureau with an A+, and we're committed to providing our customers with the best possible experience. Call today at 770-283-4111 or 404-461-3219